Welcome back to Discover Fort Monroe. This week we're going to continue to join David as he carefully disassembles the historic window and preps it for rehabilitation. Let's waste no time and jump straight in.
After doing our initial discovery of understanding what we have, the next step is to start the disassembly so that we can begin to do the restoration and or repair. So the first thing you start with is you remove the glazing so that you can remove the panes of glass. To do that, you want to be very careful with not damaging any of the wooden elements. Typically what I do, you can actually see that this one is already split right here, so we want to be extra careful here. That we will have to repair when we go back to the restoration. But you're just going to want to methodically go around and ease off the old glazing, which is typically a linseed-based glazing, which is what would have been there historically. You also, under the glazing, you'll have points, glazing points that hold the glass in. So those will have to go back, but they'll be of a different type. So you just methodically move around. There's another glazing point, take that out. Sometimes you'll have to get in here with very carefully take a point with a small putty knife such as I have here. Try to get in behind the glazing, between the back of the glazing and the style of the window frame. And this glazing can be fairly hard, especially glazing that's over almost 120 years old. I think this is original glazing in this window itself. So you want to get it enough to where you can wiggle this thing out. I've got another glazing point here. Should be one there, but I'm not seeing it. So you want to start to coax this window pane out. Right, so that's that one. So now you want to keep track of where that came. So what we'll do is we'll put that one here, and then we'll just keep tracking it. And so you'll repeat that process on this particular one 3 more times. So once you get the window panes out, and you have those documented to where they can go back, then you'll go back through and you'll clean up all of this glazing. And then what that allows you to do, it allows you, once you have the glazing cleaned up, and we'll go through this in the next video, but this allows you to put a block in here to start taking this apart, because we need to take it apart. You see how that starts to come apart with the mortise and tenon. So these obviously are not doweled. We would expect these to be pinned historically, but for whatever reason, these are not pinned. So this should come apart pretty easily, and we'll take it apart, we'll clean everything back up, we'll put it back together, make any repairs we need to make, we'll glue it, and then we'll start with the reassembly.